If you are into investing in cryptocurrencies, then you're going to be familiar with NFTs, but I doubt many folks who engage in the more traditional investments have caught on. So in this short video, I'm going to explain what NFTs are. NFT is an acronym for non-fungible token. The term non-fungible refers to something that is unique and cannot be replaced or substituted. For example, a dollar bill is fungible because you can replace a dollar bill with another dollar bill. On the other hand, an original work of art is non-fungible because you can't replace an original work of art. You can make a copy of an original work of art, and that copy could be fungible because you can replace one copy with another copy. But the original itself is non-fungible because there's just one original, and a copy cannot substitute for the original. Having said that, artists can also sell limited numbered prints of their artwork, and each of these could be considered non-fungible. Same thing with trading cards, where there are tens to hundreds of numbered copies of the cards, and each numbered copy could be considered non-fungible. Now you know the difference between fungible versus non-fungible, I hope. NFTs are not fungible cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, where you can replace one Bitcoin with another Bitcoin. Like cryptocurrencies, these NFTs are stored in digital wallets. An NFT is technically defined as a digital certificate of authenticity. In other words, it's a digital certificate of ownership of a specific, unique digital asset or digital collectible that you can buy and possess. And these NFTs are managed on a blockchain. The blockchain would record the digital certificate of authenticity, and by doing so, assign a digital signature, if you will. Now, what are examples of digital assets? They could be anything that can be produced into digital form and placed online, such as a video, a photo, memorabilia, such as video highlights of NBA basketball games, a drawing, artwork, GIF or JPEG files, music, a meme, and even tweets. Obviously, these things can be downloaded and people could pay to download copies, but the ownership would be held by the person who bought the NFT. Now, ownership versus copyrights are different. So just as someone can own an original Picasso painting, but Pablo Picasso's family and heirs could own the copyrights to it, you can own the NFT, but the artist can still own copyrights to their work. The auction house Christie's opened bidding for its first purely digital art NFT, and this digital collage of pictures as a single lot sold for over $69 million earlier this year. So why would people buy these NFTs? Well, by virtue of the fact that these NFTs are non-fungible, they are scarce. When very rich people have more money than they know what to do with, it's certainly something that people might want to buy because it brings them cachet. Also, people are buying NFTs as investments in the hopes that their value will go up and could be sold later for profit. Just like the way people spend hundreds of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy collectible Pokemon cards. But like any other investment, there's no guarantee that you'll make money because in order for you to make money off of NFTs as an investment, there needs to be buyers in the market who would be willing to pay more for your NFT than what you had paid for it. So I hope this explanation was helpful, and bye for now.